What if I told you that you could build and launch a brand new website today for free? And get this, without writing a single line of code yourself. Sounds pretty good, right? Well, that's exactly what we're going to break down, all thanks to the power of AI.
I know what you're probably thinking. But wait, I'm not a developer. I don't know how to code. If that thought has ever crossed your mind, you are definitely not alone.
Well, I'm here to tell you to throw that thought right out the window. We're about to show you the AI-powered way to go from zero to a fully live website in just a matter of minutes.
Okay, so here's the game plan. We're calling it the AI Website Sprint for a reason. It's fast. It's just 4 simple steps. 1. Let AI generate the code. 2. Tweak it in VS Code. 3. Store it on GitHub. And 4. Host it for free on Netlify. Let's dive in.
All right, first up is your AI assistant. Think of something like Grok or Perplexity as your very own personal coder. You just tell it what you want in plain English, and boom, it spits out the actual code, the foundational building blocks of your entire site.
And you really don't have to get all technical. Your request can be as simple as this. Create me a simple React website with a homepage and a contact form. And don't worry about what React is, it's just a popular way to build sites, and the AI knows exactly what to do with it.
Okay, so the AI has handed you a bunch of code. Now what? Where does it go? Well, that brings us to step 2. Your workshop. And for this, we're using a totally free and super popular tool called Visual Studio Code, or just VS Code.
This is where you add your personal touch. Inside VS Code, you can ask an AI helper to change colors, move things around, or even add brand new features. It's like having that AI coder sitting right there with you, making changes on the fly.
Step 3. We need a safe place to keep our code online. Enter GitHub. The easiest way to think about it, it's like cloud storage, kind of like Dropbox, but made specifically for code. It's the crucial link to getting your site out into the world.
And here we are, the final step, getting your website live for everyone to see. For this magic trick, we're using a service called Netlify. It connects right to your GitHub and does all the heavy lifting of hosting. And yep, it's completely free.
So the final move is so simple. First, you just push your code from your computer up to GitHub. And then you tell Netlify, hey, go grab my code from there. That's it. That one little connection makes everything happen automatically.
And bam! Just like that, your website is live on the internet. The second you connect Netlify to GitHub, it pushes your site out there for the whole world to see. It is seriously that fast.
So that's the quick overview. But I bet you're thinking, okay, this sounds amazing, but I want to see someone actually do it, click by click, right? Well, you are in luck. The person who came up with this awesome process has a full step-by-step video walkthrough on their channel. To see it all in action, head over to youtube.com/@MrPrince419. Make sure you follow and subscribe for more stuff just like this. Now go build something awesome.